Hey, I'm Jason from TechAU, and I've been spending some time with Lenovo's Legion Pro 5i gaming laptop. There's no doubt that this laptop is built for those of us who need performance. Inside, you'll find Intel's new 14th generation Core i9 processor, which is actually their fastest gaming mobile processor, which delivers incredible performance for gaming and productivity. If you're a gamer who also likes to stream your sessions online, this is the processor that's absolutely up to the task. Lenovo has paired this with 32GB of DDR5 RAM, a 1TB hard drive, and a powerful NVIDIA GeForce RTX 4070 GPU. This effectively combines to deliver desktop-class experience in a laptop you can take anywhere. On the sides and the back of the laptop, there's a good mix of USB-A and USB-C ports to connect all of your accessories. When it comes to networking, you'll have a choice between the fastest Wi-Fi or a dedicated Ethernet port on the back of the laptop to deliver the fastest networking possible. From gaming to productivity, this laptop has all the performance you need to get the job done. Here I am editing this video. It's 3 minutes in length, it's shot on multiple cameras in 4K quality at 60 frames per second, and now it's time to export it. The processor loves a task like this, and it says it'll be done in just minutes. Next, I'm working on a 3D animation, and it's amazing that we can do tasks like this on a performance laptop, thanks to the amazing hardware inside. The processor ramps up its clock speed to achieve this as fast as possible. Now let me tell you about the screen. It's 16-inch in size, it's an IPS display which gives you great viewing angles. It runs at 2560 by 1600 resolution, and that aspect ratio is 16:10. So I really loved the vertical height that gives you compared to a 16:9 screen. If you're used to 13 and 14-inch displays, stepping up to a 16 feels so much more generous and gives you a much more immersive feeling when you're in games. Something else you should appreciate is that the display is 240Hz. That means that all your fast-paced action games, racing games, first-person shooters, they're all going to look fantastic on this display. The hardware is impressive, but so is the software. Lenovo includes an app called Lenovo Vantage, and that allows you to configure and customize your PC to meet your needs. Something I really enjoyed was the GPU hybrid mode, which actually allows you to leverage both the dedicated GPU and the Intel UHD graphics, and configure that based on your power and battery life needs. Of course, it wouldn't be a gaming laptop without some RGB, and under the keyboard, there's some nice subtle RGB lighting that you can configure using that Lenovo Vantage app. Personally, I love the diversity in what you can use the laptop for. It's great for productivity and gaming by itself, but connect something like a gaming simulator or up to my ultra-wide monitor, and it can power all of the experiences that you have in mind. If you're looking for a laptop that offers desktop-class performance, but in a form factor you can take anywhere, then the Lenovo Pro 5i laptop is certainly worth consideration. The laptop is available now in Australia, and it starts at just $23.99. That represents really great performance for a great price. For more information, head to lenovo.com/game.